Salamat Balik! Welcome to Sheldan Nidle's first Galactic Humans 101 webinar. Salamat Balik is Syrian for the star system Sirius, meaning heartfelt welcome. My name is Colleen, and I am Sheldan's life partner. So let's go over a couple of definitions. Sheldan will cover all these terms in more detail during the webinar. But if you are new to these terms, this will give you an initial understanding. All these definitions can be found in Sheldan's book, Your First Contact. Who are the Galactic Federation of Light? They are a light union created over 4 million years ago by various stellar civilizations in this galaxy. Their divine purpose is to act as physical angels needed to carry out divine fate prophesied long ago for our Milky Way galaxy. So Sheldan will go over that in a lot greater detail, but a lot of people, if you're new to this information, you wonder, who are the Galactic Federation? And what is a galactic human? A galactic human is a fully conscious human being. They are also called physical angels. They have full recall of their Akashic records and their true life purpose. They are connected to both the physical and the spiritual realms simultaneously. So, who is a starseed? These are beings from other worlds, galaxies, or dimensions who have incarnated here to help Mother Earth and humanity through their ascension process. So what is a light worker? Well, a light worker, these are enlightened earth dwellers who work with ascended masters and angelic realms to bring messages of ascension and of the new age of light to the general public. They can be either an enlightened earth soul, one who has been caught in the karmic cycle of many earth lifetimes, or a starseed. A starseed usually has only been on the planet a handful of times on planet Earth. They've done most of their physical lifetimes on other planets in other dimensions. So, when we refer to first contact, what do we mean? We mean mass landings. Now, of course, Sheldan's had contact. Many of you on this call have had contact before. There's lots of people who have had contact, so people say, what do you mean first contact? We mean mass contact where everyone on the planet will be aware of this event. And first contact is a spiritual event. No one will be the same after the mass landings because it really changes your perspective on everything. So first contact is supervised by the Galactic Federation of Light and the spiritual hierarchy. It is designed to peaceably land important elements of the Galactic Federation of Light and the angelic realms upon Mother Earth. Counselors, special liaisons, and action teams will assist in the birth of Earth's new galactic society and the coming of full consciousness to Earth's human population.
Let me, before I begin, have a little quick prayer that I always do to set the energies. So I'm going to ask the Supreme Creative Force to come down, surround all of us around this wonderful planet of ours, and use all its wonderful energies and beingness to help us all to understand all that's going to be said today on all the different levels at which this information can be sent. So without further ado, let us begin. So be it. So, what I'm going to be doing is talking about planet Earth. And this, of course, is planet Earth. And for me, this is California, and that's where I am. So here you are. Now, let's all know, as it says here, a great shift in consciousness is now happening to our planet and to ourselves. These events were first told to me by my galactic contacts and later verified by science and the media. Now, right here, you see, for instance, a picture from a NASA project. This is our galaxy. This is where we are. That's the galactic core right there. And this is the part of the 9 arms of the spiral arms. We are right at the tail end what is called the Orion arm, or the Orion spur, as it says here. And above us is the Perseus arm. And below us is the Sagittarius arm. So this galaxy is roughly from edge to edge about 100,000 light years, and we're about roughly 30,000 light years from the core. So let's move on. Now, Mother Earth is starting a new cycle of increasingly more powerful earthquakes and seabed volcanic eruptions. Climate change is another sign of how Mother Earth is quickening the timetable. The major governments now in power are ill-equipped to deal with these changes. Now let's look at our planet the way it really is. So, if you were to see the way the planet really is, you would see, as it shows it here, from the outside, this is the side that we know. On the other side is the interior. This is the center of our planet. All planets are hollow. The sun is hollow. Stars are hollow, etc. And in the inside is inner Earth. And inner Earth, roughly, is, as you can see here, at the base, about 2,700 miles from the central sun, which is about 800 miles across. And it's always glowing. Many people who first saw it in the 19th century, when they wound up being able to go there, simply called it the Smokey God, because it's always surrounded by a kind of indirect glow. Now let's move on from there.